everyone, I'm Susan. Today I wanted to introduce you our ONL XB700 machine, which can make this type of die-cut bag. And also, this is a handle bag. And this one is a box bag. But you need to manually reverse it, then will be the box bag. And the shoes bag also have t-shirt bag. But this type of machine, if you wanted to make a t-shirt bag, you need to add the t-shirt punching in the end of the machine. Then you will be the t-shirt bag. So now let me show you the machine running first. In order to show you more clearly, let me reduce the speed to be 40 pieces per minute. Okay, so now please follow me to the beginning. And this is a roll feeding. It is fully automatic because we have this two air pressure here, air cylinder here. It will be fully automatic up and down. And here is a tension EPC controller with this electric eye to make sure this material in the right place. And here we can see we do the side folding here. Normally we will do 3 cm side folding. This is side sealing, ultrasonic sealing. And here is folding for the bag. With this motor, the material will go in more powerfully. Okay, let's material go again. And here is the bottom insert. This one is customized machine, so the bottom insert is very big. Now totally each side is 15 cm. Now totally is 30 cm. It's very big because this is customized machine according to customer needs. This one is printing electric eye when you need to do the printing bag. Okay, so now let's go ahead. And here this step is ultrasonic handle sealing. You can see the handle running. Ultrasonic handle sealing. We can adjust the handle size here. Okay, so let's go ahead. And let's go to this step, ultrasonic triangle sealing. But now we didn't open this function, just to show you. This part is ultrasonic sealing for the handle bag. And that one is die-cut punching. Okay, so and here will be the bag finish, handle bag finish. Okay, so future, if you wanted to do more kinds of non-woven bags, such like die-cut bag, handle bag, like 5 types of bags, you can contact me for this type of machine, can do various type of bags. Thank you.